Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is David, and if that's your first time on my channel, I do drone and tech related videos. If you're into those things, consider subscribing and like this video. Anyways, today we have the F11 Pro 4K. Remember that regular F11 couple years back? So this is an upgrade and it finally has real 4K video at 30 FPS. 2-axis stabilization with electronic image stabilization. Perfect combination. It should record very smooth video when in the air. We will test that later in the video. First let's unbox it and see what comes with it. The drone comes in a nice hand carrying case, which is always good to see included. In the top compartment we have the instruction manual, which we usually skip, but it's there. Inside we have the drone, the controller and some accessories. Here we see tiny Allen wrench with a few screws, full sets of propellers and a USB to micro USB cable. Second item is controller, which does remind me of Hotel Evo 2 remote controller, with similar design and phone holder. With this controller you should get around 1200 meters of range. Backside of the controller is equipped with 2 buttons and controls for zooming the camera, and one is for gimbal pitch. You can charge the controller via micro USB port. On the front we have stop button, button to change from video to photo, power on and off button, and take off and land button. Finally the drone. First unfold the front arms and then back arms. Then take off the gimbal protector. And now you can take a closer look at that camera. Bottom of the drone is equipped with optical flow camera for better stability at lower heights. Micro SD card slot, and of course we have rubber feet all around to improve landing on rough surfaces. The battery is removable. It's a 2500 mAh 11.1 volt 3-cell battery, which can give you around 23 minutes of flight time. Of course in perfect conditions and no wind. And also charges via micro USB. Power on the drone by pressing the power button for a couple seconds. And we see the drone starts to do its boot up sequence. From what I see, it seems the gimbal is doing really good job and you can adjust the camera pitch with right dial on the controller. Now for the flight test. As always, all the links will be in the video description. If you wanna support the channel, buy from the affiliate links to support me passively. Every little bit helps and comes back to the channel. It goes back to you guys in one way, shape or form. You have a choice to dislike the video, but if you like it, give it a like. Also subscribe and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. That's enough talking from me today. I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the review. Please watch the review until the end to see a little montage that I made. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. Stay yourself.